everyone, so today I'm going to be putting my hair in a slick ponytail, growing this small little ponytail right here into a 14-inch ponytail. I'm going to start by making a part. You can make the part however you want to. Ow. That's crusty ass gel in my hair. I should probably pick a different gel because this gel is a little flaky. After you do the part, you want to make sure everything is brushed out pretty good. Brush it all out, and then in the back you want to brush it up so it can be ready for whenever you're ready to grab all your hair. So I'm just literally brushing up in the back. Okay, and then you just start putting the gel. I'm gonna let some of this hair out in the front just so I have something instead of a big old forehead. Okay, so this hair in the front, I'm not gonna worry about it at all. I'm just gonna worry about this hair back here and slicking it back.
So I just go back and forth with the paintbrush, the comb, and then the other brush.
Okay, after you get it all slicked back and as close to perfect as you can just go ahead and put it in a tight ponytail. Okay, I'm not a pro at laying down baby hair, so forgive me because I'm literally not the best. Because like I said, I don't really have baby hair. This is just hair that I'm making baby hair. And then you can either grab a brush or a comb. They both work really. And just kind of like go down and swoop. Down and swoop.
I'm trying to show y'all, but it's kind of hard to.
Literally all I'm gonna do is place this at the top of my ponytail, like on the top of it, and then pull the string. That's literally all. This part right here. And then I'm just making sure that the bottom of the circle is underneath my ponytail. And then I'm literally just pulling the string like this. Just like that. And with this part right here, I just literally wrap it around my ponytail. Super freaking easy. After I get everything slicked down how I want it, I then grab a scarf, and you don't have to do it any particular way, but yeah, I just get a scarf like this and place it over my head, and then I'm gonna tie it underneath the ponytail. And just like this, and then now I can go ahead and do my makeup and get ready and then take it off whenever I'm done.